Security, protecting high-value commercial and military installations, safeguarding vital areas and borders against terrorists, against the threat of unfriendly neighboring forces. Security requires quick response at the point of intrusion. It also requires rapid information that can help assess the threat and determine the appropriate response. Robot Defense Systems has developed the solution, the Prowler. The Prowler is part of a total security system that applies state-of-the-art robotics, guided by artificial intelligence. The Robot Defense Security System meets the most sensitive security requirements, while at the same time reducing risk to human lives. The Prowler can be configured to meet a number of military and industrial security requirements. It can be armed with automatic weapons, anti-tank missiles, NBC reconnaissance, riot control, or artillery forward observation. Each system is designed with the user's objectives in mind, whether it's to conceal a powerful deterrent force in the body of a limousine, or as a research vehicle. The platform of the robot can be based on four-wheel drive to track and can be gas, diesel, or electrically powered. It's programmed and controlled from a single station in two ways. First, it can be remotely controlled. Communications between the Prowler, which can be at great distance from the control base, and the operator include all systems diagnostics and video display of the robot's onboard cameras. This Prowler is being controlled remotely at a test site. It can see, listen, and respond immediately to any given situation. However, the key feature of the Robot Defense Security System is its autonomous operation capability. This enables the robot to carry on surveillance duties while freeing the base operator to monitor the functions of several robots at once. Jack Harper is the Senior Systems Director at Robot Defense Systems.
This is the map of the onboard simulated 1 kilometer digitized database. What this represents is a piece of real-world land just south of here. And as you can see, it's sort of flat here, and then as you go back, it's more mountainous, and it's a little more hilly. This information is used to drive the next software that you're going to see. What's coming up here on the screen is a point, a piece of the world, according to this map, as seen by the laser sensor. Brightness here represents closeness, so the darker areas are a little bit further away. As you can see, you're looking at a piece of land and you're moving forward at about 8-meter increments. It's sort of a canyon-looking thing off to the right, and there's a little hill, and we're moving along this ridge right there. Now here you can see things coming up over the horizon. The maximum range of this sensor is about 125 feet. So it's a ridge, and then these things are coming over the horizon so you can actually see them.
The R260 series Prowler has autonomous fence following, navigation, and target acquisition capability. Securing the perimeter of a vital installation by several Prowlers, all controlled by one operator, is one application. The Prowler's onboard cameras can be monitored as it proceeds along a programmed course, checking a fence to ensure that no intrusion or break has occurred. If it finds a break, it can alert the control base and transmit a video image from its camera, enlisting the aid of a support crew to analyze and repair the break. The 60 series Prowler is built for extended operation. It is designed for use at airbase installations, weapons storage sites, hazardous materials areas such as nuclear power plants or chemical plants, oil refineries and pipelines, and international border patrol. Robot Defense Systems units are modular in design. That is, most components can be easily exchanged, making off-site repair a speedy task. The R260 series computer circuit boards can be readily exchanged. Here, a circuit board that governs the drive mechanism of the Prowler is quickly replaced. The faulty board can be taken to a repair shop for analysis and repair. The modular design permits rapid redeployment of the units, minimizing downtime. The computer and other subsystems aboard the Prowler are protected by armor plating that resists hostile environments and inclement weather, including rain, snow, and fine dust particles. This 60 series model is equipped with twin M60 machine guns and a grenade launcher. 3 cameras, including one mounted centrally on the turret with a sight reticle, enable the operator to aim the Prowler's weapons. Another camera is mounted on top of a telescoping mast, giving the Prowler a capability few other sentries have, the ability to rise over 10 meters above the ground and hover. This gives the Prowler and the remote operator the perspective of a hawk. On the ground, the Prowler travels at speeds of up to 20 kilometers an hour, patrolling tirelessly by day or by night. The control base of the 60 series Prowler can be at a fixed site or in a mobile field unit, as this armored vehicle. Inside, an operator monitors the Prowler's functions, guiding its cameras, direction, speed, and weapons from 2 hand controllers mounted on the arms of his chair. Guiding the camera, the operator can see in a complete circle, and by raising the mast, find hidden objects over a hill. The zoom function focuses on distant objects, while the Prowler remains safely concealed. These features answer the critical need for security applications, the need to observe and be forewarned of any movements that might threaten the integrity of the area. The control base also monitors the robot's systems. At a glance, the operator can monitor the speed of the robot in both forward and reverse directions. See the attitude or orientation of the robot through its gyro sensors. Its fuel gauge and system's temperature levels, the angle and status of the Prowler's 3 cameras, its electrical and communication systems, and the status of each of the Prowler's weapons. The operator can also call up a computer-enhanced map of the area of deployment, checking the real-time position of each of the Prowlers patrolling the area. The Prowler control system is based on a powerful 32-bit microprocessor technology that provides rapid command execution. A keyboard with pressure-sensitive touch panel helps the operator execute a series of complex commands at the touch of a button. Whether the control base is at a fixed site or in a mobile unit, the robot defense system cuts down on the number of personnel required to secure an area, while at the same time boosting efficiency and the level of security. The Prowler's capabilities also provide another dimension to security. High-value installations such as oil refineries must be secured by day and night. Through a mast-mounted infrared TV camera, an operator can see at night. Infrared cameras report the heat pattern before them. They can pick out a human or motor vehicle approaching at a distance. The Prowler can observe and follow an intruder. It also can apprehend an unauthorized individual. Its armor and weapons and voiced command capability can be a strong deterring force. In addition to its security support role, robot defense units can be designed to play a more direct tactical support role. Hardened to resist hostile environments, its fearlessness helps it maintain a drive toward a military objective.
So 13. Go 12.
The Prowler also has starred in a recent feature film, which illustrates its ability to resist hostile environments and act as a police unit. Since its laser imaging system can guide it through smoke screens, the Prowler can resist harsh environments, such as chemical clouds, and meet opposing forces with a powerful argument. The Prowler, as a security robot guarding vital installations. As a tactical weapon guiding a company of tanks. Or scouting ahead of armored personnel carriers. It marks the entry of robots into a new role, one that helps save human lives and protect sensitive areas from intrusion. It is a unique role, made possible by its sophisticated software and advanced technological systems. Robot defense systems, ushering in a new era in security management.
Mandate of the company is to actually build and make work out in the field artificial intelligence-driven software. So our robot is the first one in the world actually driven by this type of software that will actually work out in the field and is currently demonstratable. Similar software is being worked on by various research groups, mostly here in the United States, but no one is really anywhere near the state we are.
Robot defense systems, ushering in a new era in security management.